Have you ever opened your bank account and wondered, where did all my money go? You got paid. You didn't make any huge purchases. Yet somehow your balance is much lower than expected. Before you click away, I want you to do something. Think about how much money you spent last week. Got a number in mind? Most people are wrong by a lot. And that's exactly why budgeting feels so difficult. The problem isn't that people don't earn enough. The problem is that most people have no idea where their money actually goes. Not because they're careless, because small expenses are almost invisible. A coffee here, a snack there.
A subscription you forgot about. It all adds up. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to stop money from disappearing without tracking every penny or using complicated spreadsheets.
But first, you need to understand the mistake almost every beginner makes. Let's talk about the budgeting mistake that causes most people to quit within a week. Most beginners think budgeting means restrictions. No fun, no spending, no enjoyment. That's why they fail. They create a budget that's impossible to follow. Then they blame themselves when it doesn't work. But budgeting isn't about controlling every dollar. It's about giving your money a direction. Here's a simple example. Imagine you earn $1,000 every month. Now answer this. How much of that money already has a destination before you receive it? Rent? Food? Transportation? Bills? When you write those numbers down, something interesting happens. You stop guessing. You start seeing reality. And once you can see reality, you can change it. But there's an even simpler trick that makes budgeting easier than most people realize. Instead of tracking everything, what if you only needed one rule? Here's the budgeting method beginners should start with. Give every dollar a job. That's it. Let's say you earn $1,000. Your essentials cost $800. That leaves $200. Now don't wait to see what's left at the end of the month. Decide right now where that $200 goes. Maybe $100 to savings, $50 to entertainment, $50 to personal spending. Now your money has a purpose before you spend it. And that's where real budgeting starts. Most people spend first and save later. Successful people save first and spend what's left. It's a small shift, but it changes everything. Still, even with a good budget, there's one thing that can quietly destroy your progress. And it's something nearly everyone does. Let's uncover where your money is really disappearing. For the next 7 days, track every expense. Not forever. Just 1 week. Every snack, every online purchase, every small expense, everything. Most people expect to find one big problem. Instead, they discover dozens of tiny ones. And that's where the missing money usually is. Not in a luxury purchase, but in habits repeated every day. Once you see those habits, choose just one thing to improve. 1, not 10. 1. Because lasting financial change doesn't happen overnight. It happens through small decisions repeated consistently. If you remember only one thing from this video, remember this. A budget isn't a restriction on your money. It's a plan for your money. And once you have a plan, you stop wondering where your money went and start deciding where it goes. If this helped you, subscribe for more simple finance videos and tell me in the comments, what surprised you most about your spending habits?